What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here as shown on the shirt, and we are going to Goodwill for the 6th consecutive day. We did miss a day in between there, but that's okay. 6th day, we are almost done with going to the same Goodwill for 7 days in a row to see if you could still find stuff every single day to buy and sell on eBay or Amazon. I've been trying to go around the same time to kind of keep the results equal, but it is a bit later than normal. I tried to be going around 11 a.m. or so, and it's almost 4 p.m. So yeah, I'm a few hours off, but it shouldn't affect it too much. I definitely want to get to the Goodwill before 5 because that's, you know, when people are out of work and the place gets super busy and super hectic. So I'm gonna head over there right now. I have a couple packages to drop off at UPS. Oh, the mailman just pulled up outside right now, so gotta give him my packages and then head to Goodwill. Let's go. All right, here we are. I am excited. It's, you know, again, it's later, but it's not that busy. I mean, it's kind of busy. There's more cars here than normal, but at least it's not packed. So we should be able to find something, at least one item. Let's do it. All right, what do we got here? Some baseball, a bunch of those NBA 2Ks, Rock Band. What is this? MTX Motor Tracks. Yeah, that's nothing. All right, this is pretty interesting. It's 30,000 Years of Art. It's a massive book. It's in pretty good shape. It's just a bunch of art pictures. There was no barcode on it, so I looked up by the image on the front. I scanned it in, and here it is. It has a little bit of a higher rank, but not horrible. Looks like $40. Merchants are coming in at 20, so split the difference and say 30. So let's break it down real quick and take a look. So let's say you list it for $29.99. How much does it cost? $5. So not horrible. We'll say it's $5, but this book is so big and heavy. I mean, it's well over 10 pounds. So it's probably gonna have to get shipped to Amazon by itself. It depends on how they end up doing that, which could end up costing me anywhere between $3 and $5. So we'll just say $4, and we're left with $6 in profit for something that, you know, could take a while to sell. Now that's mid-range. We could, you know, get an extra $10 and get closer to $15, but I think I'm gonna leave it behind only because of the size. It's just not really worth it for me. But hey, it's could be a find, but we're gonna leave it. What do we have down here? A couple more box sets. This one looks like it was new. $12. It's in great shape. A World War II box set. Let's see what we got going on here. Scan it in. See what pops up. And there it is. Not great. Used $21. Only make 8. They want 12. Not gonna work. This one, Grandmother's Kitchen Wisdom Library. That's interesting. No barcode, so that's what we do. I'll show you guys exactly how I'll look something like this up. We take the little camera icon and hold it over the front, and it should pop up. And there it is. Not worth much at all. You could see $23 new, used coming in at 16. You'd make $5, and they want 5, so not gonna work. Here we go, I'm going through all the books up here. This one's kind of interesting. Vienna Spies. It's a paperback. It's in pretty good shape. It's only $1. And you guys can see right here, the rank is a bit high, 1.7 million. But you could always go up a bit on books. And take a look at that. $18.60, you'd make $9, so $8 after my $1 purchase. It's our first thing we found. So I'm checking out the electronics section, and so far not looking too good. We got the one book for resale. Then I found 2 cool VHS tapes for myself. We got Boxing's Greatest Knockouts and Hockey's Best Fights. Sorry about that.
We're fine, we can both make it.
There's a few things in here. Disc 1. No price, $3. These are all opened. Actually, that one's still sealed. These are kind of cool. That one's opened. That one's opened. But this is still sealed. This is cool. We're gonna look into this. This is unique. Definitely unique. Alright, so I looked it up. Here it is, brand new. And here are the listings on eBay. $10.79, $10.80. Not really worth much, so this will go back. I mean, it's super lightweight. It I could probably stick this in a envelope and ship it for like 90 cents, but I'm not going to. This is just gonna go back on the shelf, but it's kind of cool to see. So I'm realizing I have almost no footage because I am not finding anything in here, and I'm gonna give you guys just a look through to see exactly what I'm seeing in here. We got like a half of a keyboard for $3. I mean, $8 DVD player. The prices aren't horrible for yourself, but there's just nothing really of great value to buy and sell online, which, you know, that's gonna happen sometimes. This is kind of cool, actually. This is heavy. Nature sounds. It's not even plugged in, but oh, it also runs on batteries. Okay, this is kind of cool. Timex. $6. I'm trying to. There's the model number. Okay, we'll look this up real quick. And also, what is this? Burton portable butane burner. That's kind of cool also. Okay, so maybe we found two things. There's also a power massager here. I think that's empty. So let's look these things up real quick. Okay, so the Timex is not good. You can see right here, $13, $10. Yeah, $10 to $15 maybe. They wanted $6, so we'll leave that behind, no big deal. But this thing's kind of interesting. I'll scan it in on Amazon, see if anything pops up just to give me an idea of the price. This still seems like something I'd put on eBay. Yeah, it didn't even show up on Amazon. It's kind of what I figured, so we're gonna have to look it up on eBay. So yeah, it's $8, and you could see right there, used 13, so no money in it. That's okay. I'm not finding anything. It's just slim pickings. Bunch of DVD players, $6 to $10 each. Nothing special. VCRs are good, but I have a bunch of them at the house that I have to get listed. That is one of the most yellow Wii Fit boards I've ever seen in my life. That will stay there. And yeah, just not looking good today. It's okay though. We have one more day left after this, so could still be good. What do we have here? Story element dice. This could be something. Let's see. It's only $1, so that's positive. We gotta find more than just one book here. Come on. Okay, we'll scan it in. Okay, that barcode is nothing. Let's try this one. Nothing. Okay. That could go back right here. Ah, not looking good. Okay guys, we are getting a little bit of bonus content here because Goodwill was so bad. Target started their Black Friday sales early. It's like for a full week. So we're gonna head inside here because I actually saw that they were selling a Resident Evil game for $20, and on Amazon it was going for like 40 something. So I didn't even buy it. I just listed it from home and it sold. So I have to come here, pick it up, and see if there's any other cool things here. And I'll make a quick 10 bucks on it. Not like it's crazy money, but I'll definitely take it. And let's see what else I got. These are interesting. Pokemon Black Friday tins for $9.99. Got like some Pikachu. I don't know who that is. Eternatus. Never heard of them. Eevee. I know Eevee. So those are kind of cool for 10 bucks. Do they have any other cards here? Let's see. Let's see how the card section's looking. Ooh, it's looking pretty nice. They got a whole bunch of stuff. Any sports stuff? Got women's basketball and NASCAR. Nothing I need. Still very cool though. So I snagged these two. Don't know if they're any good or not, but I figured I'd just grab them before I walked away from the section. I'm sure they'd still be there, but why not? Let's see what they got in like the toys and board games. Buy one, get one 50 off. That's not that good. Puzzles are half price. Now that's interesting. There's some Lego ones here. Normally 11, so they'd be $5.50. Let's oh, and some Star Wars. Let's look these up. So the interesting thing with this stuff is, you know, the prices are gonna drop because a lot of people are probably gonna be buying these to sell, you know, but I think that the prices will end up going back up towards Christmas. So if you bought them and held on to them for 2 or 3 weeks, I'm sure all the lower sellers would sell out. So here's a good example. This one right here, be half off of 10, so it'd be $5. It's selling on Amazon for 17. You'd make about $4.50 on it. That's interesting. Not high enough, but we're gonna keep looking. Here we go. This is much better. These puzzle stone goes. See right there. Ranks a little high, but $13.98. You'd make $11.88. I don't know why the fees are so low, But they're only $5, so I think I'll grab one to mess with it. See what happens. Alright, so there are a few games that are half price. So like this Monopoly Space Jam, half price. Bananagrams, half price. Well, right here, I guess they all are. Board Games and Puzzles, 50% off. Okay, that could be really good. So what you want to find are the really expensive ones, because those should have the bigger margins. Here's the game right here, Resident Evil, $20, normally $50. I got a whole bunch, but I already sold one, so I'm just gonna buy the one. We ended up grabbing that puzzle. There was a few other things that I might end up grabbing, but so far, at least we got a few things. Not seeing anything else super interesting, price-wise. There is some cool stuff on sale, but is this clearance? No, this used to be clearance. So, a couple $15 games, but they're normally only $20, so not too special. We gotta pick up that game.